Alam kong super busy kayo, kaya I'm here to share 5 hacks para masulit nyo ang Hodekt mini washing machine nyo. Una, carry mo na ang lahat ng damit mula sa damit ng mga chikiting hanggang sa mga bedsheets. Basta, make sure na hindi mo lalagpasan ang maximum na timbang na kaya ng washing machine. Pangalawa, say goodbye to germs. The Hodekt mini washing machine has blue light sterilization, which kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. Super effective sa pag-sanitize ng mga damit ng mga chikiting. Pangatlo, no more manual rinsing. With the spin dryer function, you can save time and energy. Less work for you, more time to chill. Pang-apat, small but mighty. This washing machine is perfect for small spaces. Carry mo na ilagay sa laundry area, bathroom, or even sa kitchen. At panlima, easy peasy. This washing machine is super easy to use. Just fill it up with water, put in your clothes, and turn the controller. So ayan, Besh, carry mo na ang paglalaba kahit super busy ka. Gusto mo pa ng iba pang sweet tips, Besh? Like and share this post and follow me for more. Salamat!